Imagine this. You're facing a mountain of homework. Deadlines loom like storm clouds. You feel overwhelmed, ready to give up. We've all been there, feeling lost in a sea of challenges. But then, something changes. You take a deep breath, roll up your sleeves, and decide to face the storm. This, my friends, is the spark of perseverance. It's about finding that inner strength to keep going, even when things get tough. Perseverance is not about being the smartest or the strongest. It's about having the heart to rise above challenges and keep moving forward. It's about embracing the struggle, knowing that each obstacle overcome makes us stronger. Think of a small plant pushing through cracks in the pavement. It may seem fragile, but its determination to survive is a force of nature. We often hear stories of extraordinary achievements, but we don't always see the grit and determination behind them. The truth is, every success story is also a story of perseverance. It's about the countless hours of hard work, the sacrifices made, and the unwavering belief in oneself. It's about falling down 7 times and getting up 8. Take the story of Mary, a student who struggled with dyslexia. Reading and writing were a constant battle for her. Words seemed to dance on the page, making it nearly impossible to comprehend her textbooks. Frustration mounted, and the thought of giving up crossed her mind countless times. But Mary refused to let her learning disability define her. She sought help from teachers and spent hours practicing her reading and writing skills. She used audiobooks and assistive technology to overcome her challenges. It was a long and arduous journey, but Mary's perseverance paid off. She graduated high school with honors and went on to pursue a degree in journalism. Mary's story teaches us that our challenges do not define us, but our response to them does. It's about finding creative solutions, seeking support when needed, and never giving up on our dreams. Mary's determination to overcome her learning disability not only led to academic success, but also instilled in her a resilience that would serve her well throughout her life. Then there's the inspiring story of David, a marathon runner who faced a major setback early in his career. A severe ankle injury threatened to sideline him permanently. Doctors warned him about the risks of continuing, suggesting that he might never run competitively again. The pain was excruciating, and the mental anguish of possibly abandoning his passion was unbearable. Yet David refused to accept defeat. He dedicated himself to a rigorous rehabilitation program, pushing himself beyond his limits. He visualized himself crossing the finish line, the cheers of the crowd fueling his determination. It was a long and grueling process, filled with setbacks and moments of doubt. But David's unwavering belief in himself, coupled with his relentless work ethic, propelled him forward. He returned to competitive running, even stronger than before. He went on to win multiple marathons, proving that with perseverance, even the most daunting obstacles can be overcome. His story is a testament to the power of the human spirit to triumph over adversity. Section 4. Brushstrokes of Resilience, Painting a Path to Success. Consider the journey of Vincent, an aspiring artist who struggled for years to gain recognition. He faced countless rejections from galleries and art critics. His unique style was often misunderstood, leaving him feeling defeated and questioning his talent. Financial struggles added to his woes, making it even harder to pursue his passion. But Vincent refused to let the art world's indifference extinguish his creative fire. He continued to paint every day, pouring his heart and soul into his canvases. He sought feedback from fellow artists, attended workshops, and experimented with different techniques. He believed in his vision and was determined to share it with the world. Vincent's perseverance eventually paid off. His work began to attract attention for its originality and emotional depth. He held his first solo exhibition, which was a critical and commercial success. His story is a powerful reminder that success often comes to those who persevere, who remain true to themselves, and who never stop believing in their dreams. Section 5. Keep moving forward. These stories, though different in their specifics, share a common thread: the power of perseverance. They remind us that setbacks are not the end of the road, but rather detours on the journey to success. Life will inevitably throw us curveballs, but it's our reaction to these challenges that defines us. Embrace the struggle, for it is in these moments of adversity that we discover our true strength. Remember that progress is not always linear. There will be setbacks along the way, but with each obstacle overcome, we gain valuable experience and resilience. So the next time you feel overwhelmed by life's challenges, remember the stories of Mary, David, and Vincent. Draw inspiration from their journeys and embrace the power of perseverance. Believe in yourself, stay true to your goals, and never, ever give up. For it is in the relentless pursuit of our dreams, in the face of adversity, that we truly discover the depth of our potential. Remember, the finish line is always closer than it seems, especially when you never stop moving forward.